Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pi Raw Garden. Raw Garden is renowned for its exceptional cannabis concentrates, often referred to as live resin or sauce. These products are crafted to capture the full essence of the cannabis plant, preserving its natural terpenes and cannabinoids. The term Pi can sometimes describe a particular texture of these concentrates, which might be more solid and crumbly, making it easy to handle and portion for consumption. The journey to creating raw garden concentrates begins with flash freezing freshly harvested cannabis. This crucial step locks in the plant's volatile compounds, ensuring a vibrant flavor and aroma. Next, the frozen material undergoes a precise solvent extraction, carefully separating the desired cannabinoids and terpenes. Finally, the extract is thoroughly purged of any residual solvents, resulting in a pure, potent, and flavorful concentrate ready for enjoyment. Once you have your raw garden concentrate, there are several excellent ways to enjoy it. Dabbing is a popular method, using a dab rig with a heated quartz banger to vaporize the concentrate instantly. For optimal flavor, aim for low-temperature dabs, typically between 350 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, a concentrate-specific vaporizer pen offers a convenient and discreet option for on-the-go use. To ensure your raw garden concentrate maintains its quality, proper storage is key. Always keep it in an airtight container, preferably made of glass or non-stick silicone, to prevent air exposure. Store it in a cool, dark place, like a refrigerator, away from direct sunlight and heat. This helps preserve the delicate terpenes and cannabinoids, ensuring your concentrate remains potent and flavorful for an extended period, ready for your next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.